So why should you go live on YouTube as a small YouTuber? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. The importance of going live if you have a small YouTube channel. I want to show you something. So here's my YouTube channel. Hopefully you're subscribed by now. I'm going to go to video tab and then look at my content, right? So for a while, I did not go live on my channel for a long time. I think I probably did 2 months ago, but I wasn't really like consistent. And then recently, nothing. And then this week, I wanted to test something. I wanted to challenge myself. So 3 days ago, I went live. And then 2 days ago, another one. And then 1 day ago, another one. So I've done like 3 lives in a row this week, right? So some consistency. So keep that in mind, and now let's go to analytics and let's see what's happening on my channel because of these live videos. And yes, these are not gazillions or thousands of views, but my channel is very small. I don't get that much views right now, but I want to show you the impact of live video on a small YouTube channel like myself. So we're gonna go to the studio. That's where all the data is. That's where all the analytics are. And then let's go to analytics. And we're going to look at data for, let's say, last 7 days. Look at this. And then let's actually go to, I believe, audience. And by the way, other than going live, I have not done anything. So look at this. The subscriber count is up by 30%. If you look at the reach number, look at this. And for a while, the reason I wanted to actually do this experiment, because I kind of felt that my channel was sort of getting very steady, like a flat. And I wanted to challenge myself and also test that what if you do go live on consistent basis. And my YouTube lives are very simple, nothing complicated. I use tool StreamYard to go live. Let's actually go there. Let me show you. So let's go into videos. Yeah, so I'm using the StreamYard to go live. It's a Q&A, social media question and answers with my audience. And they don't have a lot of views, but you can see how going live on YouTube, especially if you have a small channel, can help you grow your channel. And actually, if you step back and think, why is that? Well, the reason is you're building engagement. You're building relationship with people, especially the way my format is very simple. I try to answer as many questions as possible. I try to help as many people as possible in that short live session. So this helps me build engagement and relationship with my audience, right? So if you have a small YouTube channel and you're not going live, I would suggest that you test it. Maybe for next week or next month, schedule a couple of live sessions and let your audience know that you're there to help them, and then see how that goes for your channel. Test it and then look at the data, and maybe, you know, if it does work, maybe you can double down on it, right? If you have any questions about going live, the way I prepare my live, I actually don't prepare, I just do, it's just in the moment Q&A sessions. But if you want to know my process, if you want to know the tools that I use, or any other question about the live video strategy, let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer, and also maybe create more content about going live on YouTube. But guess what? If you're sleeping on live video on YouTube, do not do that. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.